Want to hear your WhatsApp messages read aloud while you are driving without touching your Galaxy S25 Ultra? Here's how to make it happen with driving mode. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, then tap Mode and Routine. In the Mode section, tap Driving. Next, tap Other Action, then tap Read Notification Aloud. Select the desired app, for example, choose WhatsApp. Tap Done button. Here you can adjust extra option. Don't read silent notification. You can turn on this option if you don't want mute chats to be read aloud. Languages and voices. You can tap here to choose your preferred language and voice style. Next, tap Done button to save the read aloud settings. And then tap Done again to save the change to driving mode. Now, when driving mode is on and you get a WhatsApp message, your phone will automatically read it out loud. No need to look away from the road. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.